Good evening. How are we all doing? Welcome back to our channel. This is Chi Organic Natural Skincare. Chi Organic Natural Skincare. Yeah, I want to drop a recipe on how to make your weight gain syrup. Yeah, this is for those skinny people that slim, that skinny, with no trace of fat on their body. So this syrup will help you to add up weight. Yes, it's a weight gain syrup. It will help you to add up massive weight. So let's go down to the video. This is a recipe video because the cost of ingredients in the market is on the high side. Before you can get all these powders to come and make practical videos, it's very expensive. So I'll be dropping the recipes so that when you want to make it, you can go get it and make for yourself. These are effective recipes, very effective recipes. Yes, it's a tested and trusted recipes. All right, the first ingredient to be needing for this weight gain syrup is whey protein. Yeah, whey protein powder, then soy powder, maca powder. Am I too fast? Okay, let me take it again. For the weight gain syrup, we'll be needing whey protein powder. Then powder is soybeans powder. And please, before I forget, mind you, in this weight gain syrup, I will not be using we won't be using the powders. We'll be needing or be using the extracts. Yes. Yeah, because extracts are kind of more stronger than the powders or the herbs. So because an extract is being gotten from those powders, so is the more concentrated parts of the herbs that is called an extract. So that's what we'll be using for this powder, for this weight gain syrup. So be needing whey protein, as I've mentioned before, soybean powder or soy powder, maca powder, shatavari powder, then ashwagandha powder, then apetamin syrup or super apeti plus syrup, apetamin syrup or super apeti plus syrup. Yeah, because it's a weight gain syrup, so be needing something that can help you or help us to add up weight. Yes, in the right places that we need it. Then honey. Yes, honey. These are all the ingredients you'll be needing for our weight gain syrup. Ashwagandha powder, soy powder, whey protein powder, extracts, maca extract, shatavari extract, the apetamin syrup or super apeti syrup, then honey. These are the ingredients you'll be using for the production. So you go try it out and please drop your reviews for me. Thank you very much for listening. Please support me, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you.